Moose63 said, "What time is it there?"
Time to rip. This is like the most packs I've ever flown. Take my biggest battery, my biggest drone. Let's see what happens. Excuse me, sir. Don't you think that's a little bit dangerous? Oh, sir officer, I pride myself on trying to do the most dangerous things in the safest way. It's not that dangerous at all. See, this drone's made out of rubber. So no matter what, if it hits you, it's just rubber. My American friend said it was safe. I found this pack in the garbage, and I think a racer just ditched a battery that was like, he ripped it hard, and the cells were imbalanced. But I'm like, this is like a racing 1350. This is what most people are using. I'm just like, that's huge. This is a huge pack. And then his drone blew up.
Because it sends you bloody up. It sends you up. When you try to power loop and your angle's at like 50, it just sends you right up. Yeah. You gotta like pitch back and thrust it.
Get in the car because there are bugs.
The vampires! The vampires out! I just went around the girls and I scared them. I went around them a few times and I just went BAM! And they were like, what?
Wow, you can really dance.
Okay, we went to the homeless thing, which was awesome.
Yeah.
We went to the university thing. Yeah. We went to that CAA, and we went to that place with the guy. So there's one left.
Yeah, there's this one by a drive-in, kind of out in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, 8 minutes. Let's do it. Just stick it in there. Last one. This is where we lose everything. Hello, I was doing power loops around your gas station. Where's the gas? On the right or the left?
Left.
It is?
Yeah, it's unlocked. There's a little arrow beside the gas.
Oh, I never knew that. Oh, you're brilliant. Don't tell me what to do. If I wanted someone to do that, I'd go home. I pumped gas. That was fun. Oh no. Continued. Yeah. We've been abusing our bodies, man. I don't think I've drinking this much caffeine in like ever. Or not slept this much in a while either.
It's been fun, Mom.
Yeah, nothing like an hour of sleep. I don't see any garbage bins.
Moose63 said, "What time is it there?"
Time to rip.